So we're gonna start building this on the back, or the right end wall, I guess. This is kind of a goofy shaped building, so it's actually wider than it is long. But so we're gonna start building on this side and then working forward. Actually, I think when I was talking with Aaron, I think our plan is to start in that corner and build out the bays as we move forward. So we kind of segregated the material so that we have frame line 3, easy to grab, and then we have our parts for frame line 2 sitting here with a little bit of frame line 3 on top, because we're going to grab those first. And then there's actually 2 frame lines in this building that are called frame line 2. It's the same parts, they're the center bays. So that's all staged up here. And then frame line 1 is in the back here with rafters and everything, but we decided to take the columns and put the frame line 1's columns in front of that, because the columns are going to get set before we can put up the rafters. As far as secondaries and panels go, we moved our panels as far out of the way as we could, just so we don't accidentally hit them with the machine. We're not going to need them until all of the rest of this material is out of here, or at least that and the trim box. And we have some of the interior columns that belong down on this end of the building staged up over here. So just a little bit of planning, and it'll save us from moving material while we're on the job site. So right now the guys are setting these epoxied anchor bolts for the interior columns, and it seems like it looks like the mag drill's not working the way it is. That's a darn nice mag drill, or not a mag drill, a rotary hammer drill. And if you have the availability, if you're going to be doing your bolts or drilling or doing any epoxying, more than just one or a mistake or something, if you have access to one of the big rotary hammer drills, you can rent them, or, you know, if budget's not a concern, buy one. They're always, you know, helpful. The bigger the better, especially when we're doing this where we're going 7/8. We're drilling a 7/8 inch hole in concrete, 12 inches deep. So seems like that one's broken, maybe, I don't know. So anyways, I just wanted to go over how we stage the job site, and I guess that's about it. We're gonna come back when we're epoxying some bolts, show you how we do that, and then we'll start setting some columns.